to introduce you guys or review this product that I received. So I haven't worn it because I was like, no, I'm not going to do that until I record the video. So I already have on my gold hoops. If you aren't new to my channel, gold hoops or hoops period is a staple. And it is a necklace. This is where you can, I guess, store the necklace. And this is what you're going to be able to clean it off with. Also, it came in a little clear baggie and it says my name. So most of you guys know me by Kinky Curly Coil, but if you follow me on Instagram or look at my banner, my name is Toya. Hopefully you can see that. If not, of course I'll get more pictures of it. Alright, so I've been wanting a personalized necklace. I wanted it to say Kinky Curly Coil, but it was too long. I'm trying to hook this up myself, which was super easy. Again, I have my gold hoops on, so it's perfect. Super cute. Like, it's not too big, it's just right. Just say, everybody, my name is Toya, but if you come up, you'll see Toya. Hopefully, you can see it, because I'm going to zoom in. It came in this packaging, simple packaging. I received it in about, I think it was like 5 to 7 days. So here I am showing you guys my new jewelry. I will also link the discount in the description box, of course. I love it. Oh, it was only $19.99. They have an Instagram, I think they have a Facebook. All of those links will be in the description box because they did provide me with that information. If you want to get one, I think it's limited to 9 letters, so you got to break it down. So, you know, Toya is my name. I like it. So it's personalized with Toya. Thank you, Soufeel, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.